Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing for lettuce. We'll start with the foundational vinaigrette, a versatile and delicious option. First, you'll need to gather your core ingredients: a good quality extra virgin olive oil, your preferred vinegar, and some basic seasonings. The type of oil and vinegar you choose will significantly impact the final taste, so pick ones you enjoy. This simple combination forms the base for countless variations. Now, let's create that creamy, cohesive texture. In a medium bowl, combine your chosen vinegar, a small amount of Dijon mustard which acts as an emulsifier, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk these together thoroughly. Then, slowly, and I mean slowly, drizzle in your olive oil while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant agitation are key to achieving a beautifully emulsified dressing that won't separate easily. Once your base vinaigrette is ready, it's time to make it uniquely yours. This is where you can really play with flavors. Consider adding finely minced fresh garlic or shallots for an aromatic kick. Fresh herbs like parsley, chives, or dill can brighten the taste considerably. For a touch of sweetness, a small amount of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. Always taste and adjust the seasonings until it's perfect for your palate. Your homemade salad dressing is now complete and ready to elevate any lettuce. For best results, let it sit for about 15 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Just give it a good whisk or shake before each use, as some separation is natural. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, freshly made dressing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.